Good morning and welcome to study time. This is MM Malam and today we are going to study a new poem and the name of the poem is The Squirrel. Now a squirrel is a small animal which we usually find on the trees eating nuts or moving here and there. And this poem has been composed by Mildred Bowers Armstrong and she has beautifully described a squirrel. She says that he wore a question mark for tail. Now see, question mark for tail. When we see the figure of a squirrel, we can see his tail as a question mark. See the exact design as a question mark. Further, the poet says, an overcoat of grey. Overcoat of grey refers to the grey fur on the skin of the squirrel. He sat up straight to eat a nut. The poet further says that in order to eat a nut, the squirrel sits upright on the tree. He liked to tease and play. Now, to tease here means to make fun of. The poet says that the squirrel loves to make fun of others and likes to play with her and her friends. Now, how does the squirrel teases or plays? Let us see. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. The poet says that when she used to go near her tree, then this squirrel used to play by moving to the other side of the tree. So, this was all about this poem. Now, let us briefly go through the poem, what the poet says here. The poet says in the poem that he observes in his garden a squirrel, and further, the poet says that the squirrel is covered in grey fur and sits in an upright position on a tree branch eating a nut. His tail looks like a question mark because of its bent shape. The happy and lively squirrel loves to play with with the poet and her friends. Whenever they ran around his tree, he would run to the other side of the tree. The poet says that the nature of the squirrel is innocently naughty and likes to tease anyone who comes near him. That is, the squirrel is a naughty creature and he would like to tease anyone who used to come near his tree. That was all about the poem. I hope you have understood. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get further updates. Thank you.